Hello tech enthusiasts, this is just a quick unboxing video of the Quest 2. I will outline some of the key stats on this device. Here are the key specifications of the Meta Quest 2. CPU, GPU, Qualcomm Snapdragon XR212. Resolution 1832x1920 per eye. Field of view, further 97 deg horizontal. Refresh rate 120Hz12. Storage comes in two versions, 128GB and 256GB2. For a price from 200 GBP or USD. IPD range 58 to 68 mm hardware adjustable manual with three fixed IPD settings, 58mm, 63mm, 68mm. Display type single fast switch LCD binocular. Peak brightness 100 nits. Average pixel density 18.88 ppd horizontal, 18.69 ppd vertical. Weight 532 grams. Release date October 13th, 2021. The Quest 2 is now cheap enough to go out and buy one. Alternatively online.